So I took an order for 50 custom nails, and I didn't quite realize, I thought I would be able to use my my current nail header that I use to make all of my nails, but this is a normal sized nail with a normal sized head, and you see how the header has a little flat spot on top. That's about the size of the head. Anyway, the nails that I was commissioned to make have a very large, about a 7/8 diameter, thick head, and the underside needs to be flat. And like I said, I didn't realize this when I took the order, but later I realized that I was going to have a new header. So I made this new header. You can see how it has a large flat area as opposed to the small flat area, and that's so that the whole head is supported and has a nice flat underside. Nice. So I'm copying a nail. The customer sent me pictures and measurements of this nail from France. I don't know how old it is, but this is my copy of that nail, and I have 50 of them to make. I usually make normal sized nails out of 1/4 inch stock, and for these I'm having to use 3/8 inch stock. And so while I'm able to make a normal nail out of 1/4 inch stock in one heat, only heating the metal once, I have to take several heats to get these big ones. So with the first heat, I've got a hot piece of metal now. With the first heat, I'm going to draw the shank out. I'm using the rounded edge of the anvil to help more rapidly draw the material out, but I'm also kind of taking my time and going slow. So now I'm going to, using half on, half off blows, establish a shoulder between the material for the shank and the material for the head. And if you see, I'm also using the leading edge of my hammer face and taking bites in the metal that I'm drawing out. And that draws it out really quickly. So now I'm going to go ahead and score the stock here, leaving an appropriate sized lump for the head that I need. And then I'm going to make sure and get that really, really good and hot before I make the head. So there's that. That's ready to take the last heat and make the head. But yeah, I keep multiple pieces in the fire. That way I'm not waiting for a long time for the next piece to get hot, because one piece is heating up in the fire while I'm working the other.